What are the limitations of current tennis statistical analysis methods? Have you ever wondered why tennis statistics can sometimes seem off or misleading? Today, we are going to discuss the limitations of current tennis statistical analysis methods. These challenges impact how players, coaches, and analysts interpret data and make decisions. One major limitation is the high dimensionality and parameter complexity involved in modeling tennis matches. Each player has unique strengths that can change over time. For instance, a player may perform differently on hard, clay, or grass courts. This variability means that models must account for numerous parameters, making them complex and hard to compute. Another key issue is surface-specific performance variability. Players often have different performance levels on various surfaces, which adds to the complexity of the models. If these surface effects are ignored, it can lead to inaccurate predictions about a player's ability. Data quality is also a concern. Certain metrics, like unforced errors, can be subjective. Distinguishing between unforced and forced errors often depends on personal judgment. This subjectivity can reduce the reliability of analyses based on such data. While some efforts have been made to improve this by training volunteers to categorize errors from match videos, this process is resource-intensive and lacks standardization across datasets. Evaluating the impact of specific events, such as unforced errors, presents another challenge. To understand the effect of an event, one must consider what might have happened if it had not occurred. This counterfactual scenario is inherently uncertain and difficult to model. Some methods use simulations to estimate the expected impact, but these are merely approximations and relying heavily on the assumptions of the models. Despite advancements in technology, the integration of tracking and spatiotemporal data in tennis analytics remains limited. While technologies like Hawkeye have been around since 2006, their use in mainstream analysis is not as widespread as in other sports, such as baseball. This limited access to rich data restricts innovation in analytical methods. Additionally, tennis data is often tightly controlled by tournament organizers or technology providers. This restriction limits the availability of data for independent analysis and slows down the adoption of advanced statistical methods. Some statistical models can produce unrealistic estimates, especially when players have extreme records, such as winning or losing nearly all their matches. This can lead to player strength estimates that are not accurate, requiring adjustments or alternative modeling approaches. Lastly, much of tennis performance analysis focuses on notational data, like counts of shots and errors, rather than deeper contextual information. This narrow focus limits the understanding of the strategic and psychological aspects of play, which are essential for a complete evaluation of players and match outcomes. In summary, while current tennis statistical analysis methods provide a foundation for understanding player performance, they come with limitations that users should be aware of. As data collection improves and access to tracking data expands, we can expect advancements in how tennis statistics are utilized for performance improvement and strategic decision-making.